Plant FAQs, Hoya Eskimo. The allure of the Hoya Eskimo, a beginner's guide. There's a certain magic to houseplants. They add life, color, and a touch of the unexpected to any room. But for me, the charm goes deeper. It's the thrill of nurturing a living thing, witnessing its growth, and maybe even coaxing out a beautiful bloom. Recently, I stumbled upon the Hoya Eskimo, and let me tell you, this little vine has stolen a piece of my heart. Its delicate, silver-flecked leaves and fragrant white flowers are simply captivating. But beyond its aesthetics, the Hoya Eskimo is a surprisingly easygoing plant, perfect for beginner collectors like myself. In this guide, I'll share everything I've learned about this delightful Hoya variety. We'll delve into its characteristics, care requirements, propagation techniques, and even explore some companion planting options. See more 566 species in genus Hoya at monsteraholic.com. What is a Hoya Eskimo? The Hoya Eskimo, also known as Hoya Krohniana Eskimo, is a stunning vining houseplant prized for its unique foliage. Unlike its close cousin, the Hoya lacinosa, the Eskimo boasts petite, teardrop-shaped leaves adorned with a mesmerizing pattern of silver variegation. This isn't a fleeting shimmer. The silver persists even when brushed, adding a touch of whimsy to its appearance. As the Hoya Eskimo matures, it develops into a charming climber, trailing gracefully or readily taking to a moss pole or trellis. But the real showstopper arrives when it blooms. The plant produces clusters of fragrant, white flowers that resemble tiny porcelain stars. The delightful scent, often described as sweet and slightly honeyed, is another layer to the Hoya Eskimo's allure. How to care for your Hoya Eskimo. The good news is the Hoya Eskimo is a relatively low-maintenance plant. Here's what you need to know to keep it thriving. Light. This Hoya prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun, which can scorch the leaves. A spot near an east-facing window is ideal. Watering. Don't overwater your Hoya Eskimo. It's better to err on the side of dryness. Allow the top inch of soil to dry completely before watering again. Signs of thirst include wrinkled leaves, but don't wait that long. Humidity. Hoyas appreciate moderate to high humidity. Grouping your Hoya Eskimo with other humidity-loving plants or using a pebble tray can help create a more comfortable environment. Temperature. Aim for warm temperatures, ideally between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing your Hoya Eskimo to sudden drops in temperature. Fertilizing. During the active growing season, spring to summer, a light application of balanced fertilizer once a month is sufficient. How to propagate your Hoya Eskimo. Sharing the joy of your Hoya Eskimo is easy. Here's a simple method for propagation. Stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem cutting with at least 2 nodes. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional. Plant the cutting in a well-draining potting mix and keep the soil moist but not soggy. Leaf cuttings. This method takes a bit longer but can be successful. Choose a healthy leaf with a petiole, the stalk connecting the leaf to the stem. Plant the petiole end in a moist potting mix and provide warmth and humidity. What to plant with your Hoya Eskimo? Since the Hoya Eskimo is a climber, it pairs beautifully with plants that have a more compact growth habit. Here are a few ideas. African violets. Their vibrant blooms provide a lovely contrast to the Hoya's delicate foliage. Both thrive in similar light and humidity conditions. ZZ plant. Zemioculca zamifolia. This low-maintenance plant adds a touch of texture with its glossy, dark green leaves. Staghorn fern. Platycerium mount. This epiphytic fern on a piece of driftwood for a unique vertical element. Where can I get a Hoya Eskimo plant now? Finding a Hoya Eskimo can be a bit of a treasure hunt. Local nurseries and specialty plant shops are your best bet. Online retailers also offer this variety, but be sure to choose a reputable seller with experience shipping live plants. Hoya Krohniana Silver versus Eskimo. Hoya Eskimo is known for its clusters of highly fragrant, white flowers that bloom amidst its small, pointed leaves adorned with silver flecks. It's occasionally referred to as heartleaf lacinosa due to its resemblance to Hoya lacinosa. On the other hand, Hoya Krohniana Silver is a unique and uncommon cultivar featuring leaves that are predominantly silver in color, making it a rare and sought-after variation. So there you have it. With a little TLC, Your Hoya Eskimo will reward you with stunning foliage, fragrant blooms, and the satisfaction of nurturing a beautiful houseplant. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a date with my watering can and a brand new Hoya Eskimo.